Yeah, I'm out here in the street. This shit hurt me deep when you threw me to the street. Yeah, I'm out here in the street. That shit hurt me deep when you threw me to the street. I'm glad that you did because I got up on my feet. Why should you call your homies out here in the streets? Make the wrong move, leave you dead in the street. These niggas ain't your homie, that's why you gotta keep the heat. When you're all alone and ain't no love in the streets, you gotta get it, how you letting her turn it back for me? My family threw me out when I was only 13. Since the age of 13, I've been grinding in the streets. You ain't gotta love me, I'll learn to love myself. I don't need your help, I can get it by myself. My bro gone nigga, I don't need nobody else. Fuck all you fake friends, cause y'all bad for my health. Yeah, I'm out here in the street. This shit hurt me deep when you threw me to the streets. When my mama died, that shit hurt me deep. Why you had to leave? You was only 33. I didn't know what to do, but God helped me. He watched over me every day in the streets. He made sure ain't no nigga touch me. I love you, mama, please forgive me for all of these wrongs out here in the streets. I'm trying to get it on my lonely out here in the streets. Yeah, I'm out here in the streets. This shit hurt me deep when you threw me to the street.